Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are Growing Up Without Borders, and if you've been following along our journey, we just got into the Gambia, and well, our trip got extended with this beautiful stay, and in this video, we're gonna be living like the locals. So come along and join us as we discover how to cook some of the local Gambian food, visit some of their local markets, the beautiful beaches, and just live life. Arriving to our next destination, we did a quick stop at the grocery store to stock up on food, and then we made our way over to the most beautiful home exchange here in the Gambia. Now this house in the Gambia wasn't like a typical house because a lot of the furniture was imported actually from the United States. And what's interesting is the owner of where we're staying lives in Seattle. He was a professional soccer player, and he's combined two teams, one from Seattle, one from the Gambia, and they're all gonna be traveling together to Barcelona to go play like essentially a football match. Yeah, and it's crazy. So we got the whole football team here. You got one guy from Seattle here, Finn. Hey guys. We enjoyed a really nice meal, shared travel stories, and called it a night.
Okay, so where we're staying, right across the street, there's a grocery store.
What it looks like inside.
Fresh bread. Today we're going to show them how to make Mexican food. So we're going to go to the local market, get all the ingredients, and then attempt to do a cooking class.
Look at these avocados. We found some good ripe ones. We got some tomatoes. Yum.
Seems like everyone knows everyone here in the Gambia, and this little market stall was actually run by EJ's sister.
9, 10.
Man, they're all brothers and sisters.
9, 10, 11. That's.
Wait a second. You guys are 11?
No, 12.
12?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Are you serious? Yes. Same parents or different moms?
Same parents.
Same parents. 12 kids.
And
Crazy. Are you gonna have many kids?
no. I'm not strong like my mom.
So we got everything except for cheese and the chips. I don't know if we're gonna find it though. This is gonna be the big question. Do we find chips and cheese? Gosh, ice cream and coffee shop? Yeah.
That'd be
I
nice.
think we're getting Is it actually open? Looks like it's open. Whoa.
You're getting some chicken here, and look at, they even found some spices, which is great.
So I was just like, I was confused. I'm like, because it's the second car I see with CH, and I'm like, is there like an affiliation with Switzerland or what's going on? He said, no, this car was bought in Switzerland and they drove it all the way. Came across the ferry, from Gibraltar, drove all the way down here to the Gambia with their car. And this is how you go shopping in the Gambia. Now, time to go make some yummy dinner.
So the power is off as usual, but it'll take like maybe like 10 to 15 minutes to come back on. If you didn't know, electricity, Wi-Fi, it usually does not work. So don't expect for that to always be working.
I miss cheese. I haven't had cheese in so long.
Monster cheese.
This is me shredding cheese.
Looks so good.
The power has gone out here in the Gambia yet again. And watch this, it keeps going on and off. Let's see if it goes on. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Chicken and the pepper and corns looks like. That's some rice, the cheese, guacamole, salsa, yum. And lots of tortilla wraps from America.
I'm making tortilla chips.
Tortilla chips. You take the tortillas and then you grill them. And look at this, you make your own homemade chips. Wow.
She made her own little spice blend and it's so good.
One thing that's so cool in the Gambia is that at sunset hour, the sky turns orange.
This had become part of our routine life. Eating with the locals, eating with EJ and his family.
Playing cheater right now, and look at my hand. Oh my gosh. You're playing here. This drink is bao from the tree, and it's like this milky consistency, kind of tastes like a smoothie candy blend. Look at these Nutella chocolate crepes for dessert.
So we were just living normal life, but in the Gambia. Visiting the local market, topping up the internet, trying to get work done, and this night was going to be extra special.
This is such a cool experience because EJ is going home tomorrow, so his entire family's here and we're having a huge fish barbecue and chicken. So I'm going to show you around.
And before we introduce you to the family, let's quickly show you what a local fish market looks like here, because this is most likely where they got all the fish. As you can see, it's so fresh, right from the ocean to the plate.
Morning, how are you? How's the business?
Okay, so we're making a typical Gambian dish. I think it's Gambian, right? Yeah. So here we go. We got chicken here, and she's made this like amazing marinated sauce. So let's show you what's on it. We got black pepper,
Ginger. That is.
and then there's this like mix of spices. It's like almost Indian spices. It's so good. Dijon mustard, soya sauce,
Yep.
vinegar, then chili kind of peppers, and then they crush the peppers up like this
With spring onion.
with spring onion, and then they mix it into that, and they marinate it, and they're gonna barbecue it, and it's gonna be so good.
Just toss it in.
Yeah. Measure. Like how much? 1, 2. Okay, so that's good. Pepper,
Ginger.
black pepper.
No, I know that.
Ooh, 1, 2. More.
Put the spoon inside.
Oh, put the spoon. Like that. 3. I'm ready. 1, 2.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's good. Soy sauce. Lots of vinegar for the fish. Okay.
Spicy.
Lots
of
ginger.
spices.
Lots of
It's gonna be very
spices.
flavorful.
Oh yeah. This is looking amazing. This is a blend of herbs.
All-purpose seasoning.
How many of this? 2?
Yeah.
Mash this out in the spring onion.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
That's good. This is looking so good. Let me smell it. Very nice. And you cut it open so it gets the flavor inside the fish. Look at this. This is the chicken cooking, just like that. And all the water there is just juice from the chicken.
Time to fry up the fish. Starting the fire here, they just go low to flame.
Hi, my name is Baukar.
Hi, my name is Kama.
Hi, my name is Katie.
Hi, my name is Zainab.
Hi, my name is JJ.
Hello, EJ.
Hello, Sadie.
Hello, Bounty.
So you would never believe what she does. I just found out. She is a soldier. You're a soldier. She's in the Navy for the Gambia.
Yeah.
Like from this to like army looking, like crazy, right? And she looks so pretty and proper. No, she's a sergeant.
All the ladies are in the kitchen.
So now that the fish is all grilled,
Show the grill.
look at this grilled fish.
Putting it here, then we're dipping it in this.
And then onto the barbecue.
Okay, now that all the food is done, being prepped, everyone is time to eat.
Let's go, time to eat.
Our nights often consisted of playing games like Mafia, which we taught them, and oh my gosh, did we ever have good laughs. Playing with these guys was absolutely hilarious. We did a lot of card games and just overall hung out and had fun. The rest of our time here was doing daily visits to places like Paradiso to access their fast internet and get a lot of work done. Plus enjoy the views, of course.
The fishermen are out at sea.
Kind of different. You know, tuna.
So big.
Tuna has like the long tail a bit.
We're about to go discover the beach, show you guys what it looks like.
Gambia has really nice beaches, so when you come here, make sure you go.
Oh, I'm liking this. I hear some nice music. I see some beach umbrellas.
And the waves look
The
amazing.
waves look so
They're not too
nice.
rough, not too
And it's just like this pristine beach with like hardly anybody on it.
You guys want to know the name of this beach? It is called the
Barufut The area we're staying is Barufut, but now we're in between maybe Senegambia and Barufut.
And this coast goes all along the Atlantic Ocean, and it is massive. It continues all the way to Senegal.
Wait, even the cows enjoy the beaches here in the Gambia.
It was really fun to be in the waves. There was the local kids, we were playing with them, and the waves, some of them are really big and some of them are quite nice and small, so it was really fun. Here's one thing that I noticed, is that a lot of the guys like to work out on the beach. Wow, the sunset tonight is beautiful. Look at that. Chloe and I were playing with two local girls cards, Crazy Eights. But then they were like, let's play cards. And I'm like, yeah, okay, let's play Crazy Eights. And then I'm like, you know, and then they're like, cards. So that's what they call Crazy Eights.
Is called cards.
Cards. And then, so diamonds for them is shiny. Hearts for them is love.
Yep.
Clubs is
Tree, like
leaf.
And spades is
black. So when they were saying these names, I'm like, huh? Which card?
Yeah, Julia was like, what?
I was so confused at first, like, what did they say?
I played it the other day with all the football players.
That's how you know. Now we are going for a swim with everyone here. The girls made some salted popcorn, some sugar popcorn, and it is time for some cheater here with everyone. Our car that we were going to rent to go to Bissau had a flat tire, so we have to wait an extra day to even go tomorrow. But today we're decided to show you guys what some Senegambia looks like. Yeah. We are going to a Jamaican restaurant, which is pretty cool. They have Jamaican beef patties, which we love.
We get some yummy shawarmas, garlic rotis, and chicken rotis.
I got also a delicious shawarma.
This brings back memories from when we were visiting the islands in the Caribbean.
Well, that was really nice. We spent a lot of time and tried to get as much as we could done on their internet. It's great because it's set back from the main road, so there's not so much dust and not so much like noise.
And the food was delicious.
Yeah, it was really nice. So now we're going to go top up the internet so we can actually do phone calls because the internet's too slow to actually make proper phone calls so we can get more work done. And then we're going to go play Mafia with the locals. We made our way over quickly through Senegambia to check out what it was like with their nightlife, top up the internet, then we made it back for another fun Mafia game night with the locals.
We're going to have the local Gambian people try Swiss chocolate for the first time.
It's nice.
Is it nice?
You want me to try it?
Try one, yeah.
One.
Yeah. Swiss chocolate. It looks really like melted. It's chocolate.
It's come a long way.
But it's a bit melted.
I tried?
Yeah, you'll like it.
I will like it.
You'll
like it.
Angelina, I believe you. Can I take it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, he's trusting Angelique.
Not poisonous.
Yummy.
What do you think?
Yummy.
Is it good?
It's nice. Yeah. It's nice.
Let's see what EJ
But it's
says.
nice.
I'm like,
You like it?
You like?
Yes.
It's from Switzerland. Huh?
yeah.
Delectable.
Yeah, it's nice and creamy, eh?
Yeah. I like it.
Well, you capturing the moment.
Unfortunately, someone was trying to go get butter chicken and tikka masala. And they ran into the wrong group of people. And unfortunately, you died. The doctor couldn't save him on time. It was so sad. All he wanted was his chicken tikka masala.
Honey, Clyde, we were lovers, we both died. So you guys got both murdered.
Can I do bedside royal? When I saw him in a window, like he was
After another restful sleep, well, we woke up to lots of water. This is what it's like during the rainy season. And today was going to be another beach day. with a special twist. We're taking a little break from living life here in the Gambia, and we are coming to do a couple hours at the beach. We've got it all to ourselves. There's nobody here. It gets really busy on the weekends, and October is their high season, but right now it's all for us.
And the other day we went more down there where more of the locals come. This seems more of like where the resorts are, so it's you feel very excluded, like you have the beach to yourself.
Look at this. They got me out of here. I'm just not happy. They're doing a really good job cleaning it, but I don't know if it's like borderline mean. Like, we are cleaning these goats.
I mean, they look clean afterwards. Like, look at these two guys, so nice and clean.
And it's probably good, like the salt water probably scrubs out any kind of things that they might have, you know, so they're really giving it good stuff. Guys, how much time do we realistically spend planning our trips?
Way too many hours.
You guys have no idea.
I sometimes feel like this is all we talk about, what we're gonna do, what we're gonna see.
So during our stay in the Gambia, we actually went with Johnny all the way to Guinea-Bissau and back. But that'll be for another video. Last night here in the Gambia.
Angelique is baking a cake for tonight, and look at this ginormous bowl. It's gonna be a lemon lime cake.
Nope.
What is it?
Strawberry lemon cake.
Strawberry lemon cake.
This is a terrible disaster. It's not working. We've been going at this for over an hour. It has not changed.
She didn't buy
consistency.
heavy cream.
This is the only thing.
She bought cream.
That's the only thing.
Cream, not heavy cream.
That's the
and
only
cream
thing.
is not heavy cream, so it's not mixing.
It's the only thing they had at the
And
grocery
it tastes
store.
Absolutely.
It doesn't
awful.
taste good. It does not taste right.
This is how you fix it.
How do you fix it? Sugar. What? No, Angelique, that's gross. We're gonna put this whole thing of raspberry jam in it. That'll make it taste good.
And vanilla.
Okay, yeah, you got it now.
It's just gonna be some melty frosting thing.
So we decided to go with a little bit of liquid. This is what it looks like, the cake.
Oh no. Look at this. Nice last dinner.
You know, we've grown a community here, so it's kind of like, I'm happy to go to a new country, but as well, it's sad leaving your community.
I know, card games.
I know.
Fun.
Swims in the pool.
Yeah.
Amazing stay. This has been our home for the last few weeks here. We've just been loving it.
This is like the farewell cake, but look at it. It's kind of falling apart. A farewell toast.
A farewell toast.
Cheers.
Cheers, okay. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell because we are going to be taking you through many more West African countries and you don't want to miss it. It's quite the adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye.